So the last method in numerical methods is Adam-Bashforth's predictor and corrector formula. This is similar to the Milne's method, but the predictor and corrector formulas are different. So otherwise the method is same here. Here also we consider the first order and first degree differential equation y dash with the set of 4 predefined values. Here also in this method also they give 4 predefined values of y, and x0, x1 and x2, x3 are equally spaced values, and we have to find the value of y at x4, means y4 at x4. So this is a predicted formula for the Adam-Bashforth method. So first find the predicted value of y, and then we correct the predicted value after finding the y4 dash. So after finding the y4 dash only we apply the corrector formula. Here h is the width. So how you find the h value means the difference between any two x values. So these x values are equally spaced, therefore so you can consider any two difference between the x values, that is your h value. So this is the method of Adam-Bashforth method. Now we solve a problem here. So apply the Adam-Bashforth method to solve the equation. This is the equation they given. So at x is equals to 1. So this is the value we are going to find. We have to find the value of y at x is equals to 1. Given 4 predefined values, that is y of 0, y of 0.25, y of 0.5, y of 0.75. So we have to find y of 1, that is here we have to find y of 1. So find at x is equals to 1 means find the value of y of 1. First write the given differential equation in the dy by dx form. So they given in this form. So take the term to the right hand side and write dy by dx form. And the 4 predefined values what they given, you write all those values in a table format, that is x values and as well as the y values, and we find the corresponding y dash values. So first value we denote that as x0, that is 0, and corresponding y value is y0, that is 1, and again x1, that is 0.25, the corresponding y value this one, again x2 0.5 and corresponding y value, and again x3. So these are the given values. So correspondingly you have to find y0 dash. So just to substitute x as 0 and y as 1 here. 0 by any number is 0 only. Again in the second also the equation is same here. You have to change the values, that's all. So substitute in the place of x as 0.25, and y as 1.0026 in the same equation. You get y dash value. Similarly y2 dash means substitute x2 and y2 value here, you get this value, and again x3 and y3 value here. So you got the value this one. Now after 0.75 we have to find the value of x4 as 1. So we have to find the value of x at 1, that is your x4, and find the value of y4. First, before applying the predictor formula, so first we find the h value, is the important one. So they are not going to give in the h value directly in the problem. So it is equally spaced means you take any difference between the two values, two x values, that is I am taking 0.25 minus 0 is 0.25. If you take 0.5 minus 0.25 also, the difference is 0.25. So next write the predictor formula. So you have to remember this predictor formula: y3 plus hy24, y3 dash, y2 dash, 37, y1 dash, 9, y0 dash. So just now we find it, these values, that's why. So you have to correctly find the values. Don't do the mistakes while finding the y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash. So if you find it here wrong values, your predicted value becomes wrong. So after substituting the values, this is the substitute, and by using the calcine find the y4 of p, that is 1.1552. So this is your predicted value. Now before applying the corrector formula, find the y4 dash. So how you find this y4 dash means, first write the equation. So how you got this equation means, this is given in the problem itself, that is, so this is the equation, x square minus x square by y square plus 1. So that is x4 square by, here in the place of x I write x4, and in the place of y I write y4 plus 1. What is x4 here? So x4 is here. x4, the value which we are going to be find out, that is 1. And what about the y4? So what we have to consider this y4 means, just now we find the value of predicted value, right? So you have to consider, this is y4 of p. So consider the value of y4 of p here, and you substitute here. So this is your y4 dash. After finding the y4 dash only, you have to apply the corrector formula, that is 9y4 dash plus 19y3 dash minus 5y2 dash and plus y1 dash. So substitute all the values and find the corrector formula. This corrector formula should be repeated twice or thrice until you get at least 3 decimal values are same. So here in the problem they given, apply the corrector formula. So they are not mentioned here. So at least 3 decimal values we get same, we repeat the corrector formula. So only corrector formula will be repeated, not the predicted formula. Okay. So this is the corrector value I got here, 1.154. So one more time, if I want to repeat the corrector formula, again I have to find y4 dash. One more time y4 dash. We have to find the new y4 dash. This is the y4 dash what we find it here. And to repeat the same formula, find the one more time y4 dash. That is 1 square same. In the same equation you have to substitute, that is 1 square by, here the new corrector formula what we find it here, so that you have to consider. So just now we find it y4 of c, so you write that new value as y4, and this is your new y4 dash. Again you have to substitute in the same, this is the formula, so the same corrector formula, just you change this y4, what you got here, new y4 dash. So you substitute here, and this is the value you got. So if you compare with the previous y4 of c, this is your previous y4 of c, if you compare with this, you got at least 3 decimal values are same. So minimum 3 decimal value, 1.154, here also 1.154. So we stop the corrector formula up to here. So whatever the value you got at the end, you have to consider that as the answer. That is y at 1, y of 1 value is 1.1545. So Milne's method and Adam-Bosworth method both are same here, but the difference is only the formula. So the corrector and predictor formula are different. The remaining thing is